When determining the absolute value of something, what we're looking for is we're looking for the positive value. So if I'm looking for the absolute value of 3, it's just going to be positive 3. But if I'm looking for the absolute value of negative 7, we just get rid of the negative and it just becomes a positive 7. Absolute value signs behave like brackets. So if I'm trying to find this equation where I've got the absolute value of 4 minus the absolute value of negative 3, the absolute value of negative 4 is going to be positive 4. The absolute value of negative 3 is going to be positive 3, which is going to leave me with a value of 1. In this example, I've got an operation inside my absolute value signs. So I treat these like brackets. So I'm going to do what's inside the absolute value signs first. So negative 12 plus 8 is going to give me negative 4, which means the value of this equation is positive 4 because I eliminate the negative sign. In this equation, I have to remember my order of operations. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my exponents, because it's within the brackets of my absolute value symbols. So 5 squared is going to be 25. Next I move to the multiplication. 12 times negative 3 is going to be negative 36, and I still have my plus 25. Then I'm going to add these two together. I get negative 11, and the absolute value of negative 11 is positive 11. So you can see in this case the absolute value signs act like brackets, and in the final step we take the absolute value of the equation that we got inside the brackets. Finally, here we have an equation of absolute value, which means because they behave like brackets, we're going to multiply. So this is really 4 times 3 minus 2 times positive 2. Order of operations tells me I'm going to do the multiplying first, so I've got 12 minus 4, which is going to give me 8. You can tell where the absolute value symbols are because one of them is going to start, the very next one is going to be your ending one. Same thing here, now we've got a new starting one, and then we've got an ending one. So you're always looking for your starting point and your ending point of your absolute value symbol to tell where the beginning and where the end is.